It is a conference that brought together the World Health Organization Regional Director for Africa, Dr. Matshidiso Rebecca Moeti, Rwanda's Minister of Health, Dr. Daniel Ngamije, and Malawi's Minister of Health, Kandondo Chiponda, where they talked about how Africa is prepared to deliver COVID-19 vaccines to its population. The WHO Regional Director for Africa, Dr. Matshidiso Moeti, says that Rwanda is one of the 4 countries to receive 320,000 doses of Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine. Apart from Rwanda, other countries are Cape Verde, South Africa and Tunisia. Dr. Moeti says that through the COVAX program, African countries will be able to protect 20% of their population and will be given 600 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine before the end of 2021. She gave reassurance on the safety of the vaccines, whereby she also called on African countries to educate the public on the importance of the vaccine so that it won't be wasted. Rwanda's Minister of Health, Dr. Daniel Ngamije, says that vaccines that will arrive in Rwanda will help protect the lives of people, including medical staff.
So we are really happy that at least we'll be able to vaccinate those frontline workers, nurses, doctors, community health workers, and other people involved in enforcement of COVID-19 measures. The last comment is that as we implement this, as we vaccinate these frontline people, it gives us confidence to continue discussion and dialogue with through African Union AVAT mechanism for getting additional vaccines for us to go up to 60% of the coverage.
In this conference, Rwanda pointed out that some of the things that helped the country cope with the COVID-19 pandemic include the existence of good governance that does its best to protect the lives of its people, sustainable health system, and innovation such as using robotic technology and the wearing of tracker devices for COVID-19 patients in home-based care. On the part of citizens, they find this the right time for Rwanda to take the vaccine step in its fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. When the vaccine reaches here, we shall have got an everlasting solution to this pandemic. COVID-19 is a complicated pandemic, that is to say in terms of prevention. So it is a common benefit for us citizens to get the vaccine.
This vaccine will help me not contract coronavirus, to continue my life as I used before. This pandemic is of economic, health and general concern because many things have come to a standstill.
By the end of this month, 90 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines will have been delivered to the African continent, according to the World Health Organization Regional Office for Africa. The doses will help African countries protect 3% of their population in the first quarter of 2021. The African continent currently has 3.5 million cases of COVID-19. Of these, more than 3 million were treated and more than 92,000 killed by the virus. Innocent Mugabo, RTV News.